love me that strong. Feels surround around, you're on my mind.
City Batangas po.
Go, Paulson.
You are the sunshine of my life. That's why I'll always be around. You are the apple of my eye.
Ito mo yung tunog luma.
Oh.
So I liked it, but there are portions na medyo kinakain mo yung words.
I also like revival. I think overall you did well.
Ako yan.
It's also a yes for me.
Mag-yes din ako.
Thank you po. Congratulations. Sana tuloy-tuloy na ang mga yes na to.
Oh, you're pretty. What's your name? Jennifer Desada. How old are you? 16. Anong mix ko? Half Indian po. Lumaki ka pala sa orphanage.
Ang Santino. Season 2. How did you end up in an orphanage? Iniwan ko na parents mo doon? Or
When I was just 2 days,
pretty much you never met your parents?
when I was in grade 4, she come to visit me there, but wala na.
How did she show up? Nabigla na lang yung you were in class, bilang may tumawag sa'yo, Bert?
Oo.
Pero may naghahanap sa'yo, Bert? Sino po? Mami mo? How did you feel?
Siyempre naiyak ako. Just 1 day,
One day.
then she woke up.
Okay, Jeremy, show us your talent.
Healthy light dream his comes in and we would live the years together.
Galing siya.
Their dreams that gonna be. And there were songs we cannot weather. Ang ganda ng boses mo, English. Ang taas, yung clarity niya. But the quality is there.
Siguro nervous ka naman kaya, you can't really pronounce or enunciate your words. I could see the nervousness in your voice.
Me, it's a yes. Ako yes.
It's a yes.
Congratulations